my, oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today we're gonna do a plant unboxing, my first plant unboxing of 2023. And it's just not any plant. This is a $1,000 plant. These are $1,000 plants. These are like unicorn plants, variegated plants. These plants are not really yet available in the US. I'm so excited. I got my hands on them for a really good deal from this seller on, it was actually like a Facebook, like a rare Anthuriums. This is one of the rarest plants. I know in my other video I said that was the rarest of the rare, but this is another rare of the rare plants. You guys, you know, on my channel I love to have just rare plants. So if you want to see which plant I got, please do subscribe to my channel. Also, if you already fell in love with my personality, you can follow me at Melina Glam on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok. I believe that's it. But without further ado, let's begin this video and reveal which rare plant I got that I know you guys are dying to see. So stick around. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited. Here is the package. It is packaged beautifully. It says handle with care, fragile, do not drop. Thank you. Oh my god, so sweet of the seller. The seller's name is Kim Corpus, so you can follow her on Instagram. Okay, you guys, let's do this. I have the package right here, and I'm so scared. Let's do this. Oh my god, I think I did this on my channel and I dropped the knife. Let's do a throwback. I don't want to. Oh, we're gonna. Okay, let me get serious. Yeah, I don't want to hurt. Oh my gosh, she taped it really well. Okay. Oh, shit, I don't want to. Oh my god, I almost dropped this package. Melina, be careful. There's thousands of dollars worth of plant in here. Okay, oh my god. Okay, wow, I like how she packages. No way. Here's what? So she has this like I think this is like heat packaging. Oh, by the way, I got two plants. Please don't tell my boyfriend, he's gonna kill me. And I got two rare plants. Like I couldn't just pick. And if y'all were on my Instagram and you saw, you already know which plant I got. But anyways, here's one of the plants. Here's the pot. We're gonna do one plant first. I'm gonna be surprised with you guys because I don't know which plant is which. Yeah, I'm taking the fluff out. She only needed like 3 pieces of tape, and this is like quilted really good, so the plants are not going. Anyway, I'm definitely gonna save this. Oh my god, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys? Okay, she taped this to the pot. Okay. Here she is, you guys. So, it's looking a little rough, but this is an Anthurium. Oh my god, she's bigger than what I thought. This is an Anthurium Pterodactyl. Oh my god, this plant that I got is the Anthurium Pterodactyl, you guys. And look at this beautiful specimen. And I know you guys are gonna say, bitch, you only got half the plant. Where's the other side of the leaf, the other ear? Before you judge me, I got this plant in a really I got this plant for a really good price because the leaf is pretty much broken. But look at that beautiful specimen. That variegation is so beautiful. Look at the chunks of white right there. Like, have you seen a variegated anthurium? I bet you haven't. Maybe you have, but yeah, I got this for a really good price. The leaf, petiole, stem, whatever you call it, has really good variegation, and it has new baby leaf on the way. So yeah, Anthurium peridactyl. I'm gonna insert some clips here so y'all can see its full beauty and glory when it grows up. Its final Pokemon evolution. Like final evolution is so pretty. This gets so big, so pretty. The leaves get massive. So like, I think this was a steal. I love it. And I can make babies when this grows up and it produces a flower. Or I can do stem propagation when pretty much stem propagation when you cut up the trunk or the stem and then like make babies. I did that with my Queen Anthurium and it was such a success. The seller packaged it really good. I'm so impressed. And this is probably gonna live in my IKEA cabinet for now because yeah, I need some humidity. I'm gonna bring it back to health. I'll definitely keep you updated on this baby. I love it. I need to name it. If you guys have any questions or suggestions of what I should name this Anthurium peridactyl, please let me know. So yeah, this is my first plant that I got. Oh my gosh, she's such a beauty. Like, I can't stop staring at her. And the new leaf, I'll keep you updated when it comes out. Hey you guys. This is the main plant I was waiting for. I'm so excited. She's in here. Yeah, this was really expensive. The other one I got at a fair price because it was just like one busted leaf. But this one is like, oh my god, I can't wait. I gotta free it. I don't want it to die or anything. I gotta free it like now. Like this is learning 101 because I'm also learning. Okay, you guys, so, yeah, oh my god, she came so fast. Okay, so, you guys, she's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. She is so pretty. Look at her. She's gonna get bigger and bigger and wow, I'm so happy. Wow, you guys. Look at the variegation on this one. Wow. You guys, she's so pretty. Wow. You guys, I'm so happy. I finally have a variegated Anthurium. Like, they shipped really well. This leaf is huge. Okay, you guys, and the second plant is right here next to me. Oh my god. This is the Anthurium brownii. Look at that variegation, you guys. It's so white and like speckled with chunks and oh my god. It is so pretty, you guys. This is the main reason I got this order because I've never seen an Anthurium do this, and I'm really good with Anthuriums, as y'all can see. Look at my Magnificum right here. Like, wow, and I have another Anthurium next to it. So I'm pretty good with Anthuriums. So anyways, this is an Anthurium brownii. You guys, look at those earlobes. I'm a sucker for earlobes. The variegation is so beautiful. Look at that, you guys. Like, it almost looks like the white and the green almost look pink when you photograph them. It's like amazing, you guys. Mickey Mouse, like, hello, you've been replaced by this variegation. Look at that. And like, I'm gonna insert pictures so y'all can see how it looks when it's mature. Right about here, I'm Amazing, right? But yeah, this is a variegated Anthurium brownie eye. Variegated, like, wow, I've never seen an Anthurium that's variegated in person. So I got this plant and I got the other Anthurium peridactyl. She's like resting already in my IKEA cabinet for, oh my god, let's just say it was less than $1,000. Oh my god. If my boyfriend's watching, he's gonna freaking kill me. So I'm not gonna tell you the price, but it's less than $1,000 for both specimens. But yeah, this one, the seller posted the roots and the trunk, the stem, whatever you want to call it. And if I wanted to right now, I can chop it and make a baby and make my money's worth. But I'm gonna let this baby rest, maybe put out another leaf, and then like chop it. We'll see. I'm gonna let both of these plants acclimate to my environment. But yeah, this is Anthurium brownie eye. I never even had the green brownie eye. I thought about getting it because these leaves curl up so pretty when they're adults, as y'all saw. Like, I just have a thing for Anthuriums, and I don't think I've ever killed an Anthurium, only like a few crystallinums, because I don't know, I neglect, but I'm definitely not gonna neglect these at all. I love these. Oh my god, just look at that. Look at that variegation. This video is just gonna be me holding up the beautiful leaves. Look at that pattern, that variegation. Look at this one. It's like purely freaking white. Wow. This one has variegation. This one has variegation. The variegation's kind of decreasing, so I'm getting a little scared. I don't want to chop her just yet, but she still has variegation here. So I'm gonna let it grow still. But here she is. Like, she's so pretty. Anthurium brownie eye. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves. This one has 5 leaves, so this is why my order was expensive. I threw both these plants in, same shipping and everything, so thank you. Again, the seller is Kim Corpus and she's on Instagram. I'm so excited with my new plant children. Oh my god, I'll keep y'all updated. Yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. I really hope I don't kill her because I'll be really sad and I'll throw like $1,000 in the freaking trash. Oh my god. But yeah, you guys, Anthuriums are, they can be easy when you figure them out, but they can be hard too. It depends on the Anthurium. There's some easy ones and some hard ones. This is a variegated one. It has less chlorophyll. So, oh my god, wish me luck. Pray for me. Yeah, hopefully I didn't pay my rent again for this plant. So, we'll see, you guys. I'm just kidding. Pay your rent, children. Like, if you're gonna buy plants, pay your rent, pay your bills before you buy a plant. But yeah, this is Anthurium brownie, you guys. Okay, you guys, so that was my plant unboxing. I had 2 variegated Anthuriums. Which one was your favorite? The peridactyl or the brownie eye? If you want to see more unboxings, you're probably gonna have to wait till June, till my birthday, because I literally spend too much money. I just want to say thank you to you guys for subscribing to my channel and loving my plant videos. I also have a plant tour where I got my variegated billet. I know that plant is getting cheaper now. It's still in the thousands of dollars, but find out how you can get one for really cheap. I think the seller that I bought it from, I bought it for 900 something, but I think she posted one for 600. So yeah, check out that video. I'll link it below if you want your personal variegated billet. Her shop is called Cultivar. Yeah, not sponsored. Hopefully she does one day. I'm just kidding. But yes, you guys, this is the end of the video. My name's Melina. I'm a plant collector. Hopefully I see you on my next video. And take care. Go water your plants. Don't neglect your plants. my god.